Okay, so now we're on to the slide, continuing the topic of the public health model. And now we're on to why is the public health model important, and also why does it matter in criminology? Well, if well, we know that criminology focuses on problems, on it focuses on crime, focuses on problems happening throughout the world, problems that crime causes, and which is all the way from white white collar crimes to murder, homicide, all stuff like that, second degree murder, homicide, all those things. So, the public health model also focuses on problems. It does not focus on crime specifically as much, but they both do focus on problems, how problems affect the everyone, the population, the whole world. And so together they both are trying to prevent problems. We're trying to criminology, we study criminology because we're trying to stop these crimes and these horrible things from them happen, like prolonging from them happening again and again and again. And the public health model, same thing. We're trying to eliminate or minimize the problems, whether it be health or social. We're trying to eliminate all of those happening throughout the world. So they are, like I said before, directly related because um, they deal with problems within society and problems that occur within society on towards people of different social classes, all of that. So if you relate both of criminology and the public health model together, they are, to me, and to if you look at them both together, they are directly related because of the fact, like I said before, that they deal with problems, whether it be family, the the environment, anything. So that is why the public health model is so important because not only can does criminology focus on the problems, but the public health model instills the problems and tries to fix them just like criminology, and it just adds a another like it adds another outlet of help with criminology.